a Unix and Linux lab exp5 about file processing using shell script. So here we are going to create a file, and we are going to count the number of occurrences, the replace words, and we want to get the file information, user information, and all those things. So we'll just jump to the code. So the code is dataset. So this one is our first 5 exercises in this exercise. First 5 experiments, like first is enter your choice, press 1 to count the occurrences, press 2 to replace the word character, 3 to display the file information, and 4 for the user information. And then we have 50 for displaying login information. We'll read the choice, that is the user input, and it depends on the user input what he gives. If it's 1, we'll go to the first case, like if it's echo, enter the word or character you want to find in the file, and we'll take that as C, and we'll just show the number of occurrences of C in the file is using grep for like finding out extracting a particular word or character, and -2 for substituting it, like for counting it. So what is that? Counting word, which character? That's C that the user gave. In word, the file.txt that we have created in that file, and we are pipelining it with word count and per line. For the second option, we want to substitute. First, we'll take the word we want to replace, and with word, like what you want to substitute there. So we'll just give read sub, that's the word that you are going to keep there as substitute, and then they have this editor, simplified editor, and we'll just take the word and we'll substitute it in file.txt. Then enter the file name, and we'll just read the file name, and we'll display the details of the file name, like the inode name, the inode number, all the details, the list and all. And who am I is for giving all the user information, and this one is to display the login information from the etc that password, this one. So I'll just show you the output for that. So first one will go with first, enter the word or character you want to file, go with R. The number of occurrences of R in the file is 3. What is that file? This file.txt. So I'll just show you the file also. vi file.txt. So this is the file which is jar15cs269. So the number of occurrences of R was 3 times R, G, U, R, G, and then UR15cs269. 3 times R came, that's why it's showing 3. Then we'll go with the third one, like what you want to substitute. We'll substitute George with Sam. So you can see it to a Sam, and then UR15cs269. Then we want to do the third one, like display the file information, like file name is file.txt. So we'll just display that. So you can see the inode number, the read write permissions, what the file contains, the UR15cs269, the date it was modified, and all those things. Now if you want to show like what is the user information, you can see it's UR15cs269, that's my account number, and then like all those details. And then we'll go for the next thing is like uh, uh, print word by word, there's something. So just go to other file, so you can see the output, like show you the file first. So you can see we are taking the line and what file we want, that is file.txt. Then we are initializing a variable count is equals to 0, and we are making a word array is equals to any number of input that the user gives. Then we will find for word in dash line, in dollar line that the user gives is we will do the word array, and we'll count it, and we'll initialize it equals to the word that we get from that, and we'll make the count as count plus 1 every time the loop runs. And in that, again we are creating another loop for num is equals to 0 till num count, and I will increment the num every time, and in that we'll print the word number and the word number, and we'll get the word number and the word array. I'll just show you the code for that. Like this one, the first one, like word number is issue. We'll just take each and every input, and we will like first position, the second position, and the third position. Uh, we'll just cut each and every element, and we'll just substitute it. I will just place it according to that using the for loop. And if you want to search any particular array, so we'll do that also, particular word in that array. So same as we did in the previous file. After this, and then we'll find this, we'll enter the element that you want to search, we'll take as where, and for item we'll make a for loop for item in word array. We'll find to that array, and if we get the item in the where in this array, then will initialize the value of flag is equals to 1, initially it was 0, and after we get, we'll just initialize equals to 1, and if the flag is 1, then we can show that it is present in the array, and if it is not, then we can show that it's not present in the array. So I'll just show you the code for that output. Like that's it. So no, not this one. Yeah. So if you want to find like it's displaying George, so you can see it's showing George is present in the array. It will go and search, and it's in the third position, in second position. So it will show like George is present. So it will give the output as that. And if you want to append something in the file, we will just go like this, like rag, and it will be appended in the last of the file. So just go show the code for that also. As you can see, we are taking the file, we are reading it through the file, and then we will go take elements in the array before insertion, the word array at the rate, and then go enter element to insert. We'll take the variable that is the user input, and we'll place it in the word array, and through that word array we will append it here. We'll put it at the last of the file. So that was all about fifth experiment. Thank you for watching.